My time at the university has put me in a position where I know a lot more about myself and how I can develop myself as a player. Wigan's partnership with the university it's used all the time. My time at the club has just seen the partnership grow and grow and grow, and we have students come in providing us with masseurs every week, and on a bigger scale as well we also have people come in, sports scientists come in who help out in the gym and the strength and conditioning side of things. And not only do we get very well qualified students come in to us and help us out, I think them students leave us feeling a lot more confident and feel like they can definitely develop.
Having people like Liam on the course and other players from Wigan Warriors who've come through, I think it has been a real inspiration for some of the other students on the course. One of the biggest things that employers are looking for is graduates who've got experience of working in professional sport. So the partnership with Wigan Warriors allows students to go out and get that experience.
The placement at Wigan Warriors has given me more confidence when working in a professional environment, and it's really given me a good experience of working with different players.
My advice would be to anyone thinking of studying here at the University of Central Lancashire would be just to have a go. Anyone looking to develop themselves further as a person and want to educate themselves more, I think the university is perfect for it.